Hi everybody, welcome back in my YouTube channel. In today's video I will show you how to make tulips from fabric. These will be perfect if you would like to decorate your home or your shop for spring. For the head of the flower we will need a fabric which is 11 by 13 cm wide. For the leaves we will need a 15 by 15 cm wide fabric. To making the leaves more steady, use iron-on interlining. I cut out a 1.5 cm wide stripe to cover the stick. This will be the stem. And we will need needle and thread, scissors, some stuffing material, hot glue gun and a sewing machine. Let's start it. I folded a piece of paper which is 15 cm high. Then draw a line, cut it out, and I got a nice leaf shape. This will be my pattern. Before I draw it on the fabric, I iron in the interlining. Here you see me sewing the parts of the leaf right sides together. Then I make notches to make it more flat after turning inside out and ironing. Here I sew the shorter sides of the head right sides together. I fold back a piece of fabric which is at about 1 cm wide. I use hot glue gun to stick the fabric stripe on the top and the bottom of the stick, and I will use it too to glue the leaf. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I always appreciate the support. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.